Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this brand new free app that pays $1,600 every day and is available worldwide. Now, before I get into this method, I need you to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now please watch this video all the way to the very end because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this app and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Nevo.ai. So on this website, you're going to get paid to shape the future. Join Nevo and contribute to a smarter AI world. And you just click right here to join. Now meet Nevo, a global community working to improve the artificial intelligence, AI, behind a whole range of technologies. Join and you could help create anything from smarter virtual assistants to a more realistic video games or even self-driving cars. Simply sign up, do tasks, get paid, and help shape the future. And you're going to need PayPal to sign up, guys. So if you haven't signed up for PayPal, just go to paypal.com, sign up. It takes a few minutes. Now, what you'll do. So artificial intelligence needs to be trained by humans like you in order to work accurately. Companies submit projects to Nevo to help improve their AI systems. When you're a match for a project, you'll be asked to complete a set of simple tasks, which could be in the form of text, audio, images, or even video. Here's one example right here. So you're going to highlight a text and then you're going to make a choice. So as you see it highlight that, and you just click on location because that's what that is. And here's another task you're going to be doing. You're going to tag images. So as you can see here, you're going to draw a box around the image. It's going to ask you what it is. You click cookies. Very, very simple. And here's the third task that they have on this website, which is transform text into audio. So this text right here, transform it into audio. Very, very simple, guys. Might take some time, but it's very simple. Now, what do you need? You need to be a human. I'm sure I have over 90% of the people that watch my videos are human, so that shouldn't be a problem. And some spare time. I'm sure you have some spare time if you're watching this video. And PayPal account. We talked about that earlier. You need to have a PayPal account. Go to paypal.com, sign up. Only takes a few minutes. Now here are some companies you'll help. Yahoo Japan and MasterCard. So you know that these companies right here are Fortune 500 companies. So you're going to be helping large corporations, guys. Now they have over 1 million Nevo contributors. And it's 50 languages around the world, guys. So this is available around the world. You guys always ask me, are these methods available around the world, and this one is. Now what I'm going to do is go to the frequently asked questions, and I'm going to look at how much will you get paid. Hey guys, if I'm really bringing some value to you in this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now back to the video. Okay, so here's the question on how, when, and how much will I be paid? How long do payments take? So how you get paid? So of course we talked about it, which is through PayPal. You can just click right here. It's going to take you to the site where you can sign up. And it takes about 2 weeks for you to get paid, guys. So it might take a minute. And now, how much will you get paid? So they do show an example of how you get paid. They don't tell you the exact amount. So they said if you do 10 valid recordings, you could probably be paid $50. So you can be paid $50 more or maybe less than $50. So it all depends on the amount of tasks that you do. So as you can see here, they show right here how much it might cost for each task. It's just an example. Might be some cents, might be some dollars for each task. But these tasks, most of them are real fast and easy. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. Go ahead and go to nevo.ai, sign up and get started. Okay family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I'll make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, that's it. I really appreciate it. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. If you want to learn how to make even more money, go check out these videos right here. Peace and have a prosperous day.